First and 10, this is Hill. Comes back inside Jaguars territory. One man to beat inside the 15. Still going, and he is in. Jeremy Hill, 60 yards to give the Bengals some breathing room.
You asked the great question. Can Andy Dalton settle his nerves? Leave it up to Hugh Jackson to give him the play to help settle the quarterback down. Run the football. And Jeremy Hill hits a home run for his quarterback and for his football team. Josh Evans is the safety who is coming over trying to make the tackle. He's down, injured, out of bounds. And how Jeremy Hill made him miss tight roping that sideline, I'll never know.
Second rushing touchdown for Hill, who's got 131 yards in his first NFL start.
Excellent blocking, digging him out. Now watch this. As he's tight roping this sideline, he's going to give him that little lazy leg. And then watch this, cutting back, or he outruns him and still able to get into the end zone.